Alright, I got a 1993 Cr250r 2-stroke. I put a new carb on it. I got it from a private owner. He said it ran before, but the carb that was on it before was messed up, so I put a new carb on it. And upon starting it, it's like the throttle was just hanging at, like, as soon as it starts, it's like full throttle. And I can't turn it off by the kill switch because it's giving it way too much juice, so I gotta pull the spark plug and give it gas to kill it. But I don't know, I'm trying to figure out whether it's an air leak or not, but I sprayed everything with soapy water and shit on both sides, and I'm not sure what it could be. I do have a tear here, a little tear right here on this boot, but I held it and it didn't change. But as soon as I kick it over, it's at full throttle, and I can rev it, and sometimes it'll come down, and other times it won't come down. It'll stay at a high idle, just full throttle all the way, and I'm kind of stuck. So I was thinking it was an air leak, but I didn't find an air leak, so I don't know. Pretty clean. No chips, nothing. Yeesh.
Can you throw these bitches in the trash?
What's that? This shit look marred up like a motherfucker, but we cleaned up this up. Better go on right now.
That thing is looking bad.
Oh yeah. It's like almost all the way around. Everything going back together. Shit, almost there. Yeah, got my man over there working on that damn fucking dirt bike stand.
It's like I don't give a fuck while I'm welding.
So I bought a new carb for the bike, and this one's a new one, this is the old one. I put the new one on and it sounded like it was starving for fuel. I checked everything to see if it was getting fuel. It was getting fuel. I checked the jets, and I just checked the jets, so it turns out the jet on the old one is more open than the jet on the new one, so it was starving for fuel. So what I'm going to do is take these jets off this one and replace it on this one, and I hope it fixes it. Boy, we're about to ride soon. This one just got a fresh rebuild. This one just needs a fucking spark plug. Keeps fouling it, or it just fouled it. They put a little bit of oil on it. It doesn't keep fouling it, but it just fouled it, so not too bad. A little old Honda, a little old Yz. How you feeling with your first wipeout, buddy?
Better if I didn't get hit, but other than that, it's great.